Hello, Agu! Today we're playing some music. I want to teach you some very cool musical instruments. Here we have these ones with a big ball on top and a handle. Hold the handle and just shake them like this. These ones are called maracas. Maracas are so cool. You can shake them everywhere like this. Maracas are really cool. Oh, what are these? Are these small maracas? No! You shake them and there's no sound. What are these for? They look like maracas, but they're not the same. These are the drumsticks. This is the drum, and these are the drumsticks to play the drum. With the drum, you can make so many sounds. Listen. That's how you play hard on the drum. But you can also use the drumsticks to play on the side. Or you can combine both like this. Yes, those are the drums. You can play really low or really high. And here I have these bright things. What are they? Let's shake. These are called the jingle bells. You can put them in your hand and then grab and just shake them, like in the song of the Jingle Bells. Have you heard? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. These are a lot of fun. Now let's play a game. I'm going to hide all my instruments and you can guess what sound it is. Are you ready? Let's see. What is this sound? What is this instrument? Did you say it was the maracas? Yes, it's the drums. Here they are. The drums. Okay, let's do the next one. Which do you think it is? It's the maracas! You guessed right. Here they are. Very good job. And the last one. Can you remember the name? It's Jingle Bells. Very good. Tell me, Agu, what was your favorite instrument? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.